In this video, I will show you how to change a private YouTube video to public. This method works on both a computer and a mobile device. First, open the YouTube website and sign in to your YouTube account. Then, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. If you're using a mobile device, simply download and open the YouTube Studio app, then sign in to your account. Once you're in YouTube Studio, click Content from the left-hand menu. Locate the video you want to make public and click the Details or Edit button next to it. Scroll down until you see the Visibility section. Click the drop-down menu, and if the video is currently set to private, change it to public. After selecting Public, click Done. Then click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. Your video will now be publicly available, and anyone with the link or who finds it on YouTube will be able to watch it. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.